Coffee. They've got a dismantled Honda on the wall. Plenty of seating area. Plenty of merchandise for sale. Let's go and look at the back here. Pool table now. Play pool. They've got a GS 1200, looks a bit of 1250 40th anniversary for sale. Yes, so good morning and welcome to Park Vermeer Coffee, where I'm going to do a review of the coffee place. Where it's nice and quiet here, plenty of homely atmosphere. We're trying it on our new iPhone to see if it makes a difference on quality of filming and sound. I've never used an iPhone to film with much. So now we're in Park Vermeer and having a look around. GS and trophy colours here. Very nice. I've got gold ones. We've got spot the triple black, the black here. Nice Kawasaki 900 on display. This is a new purchase as well. I've got a light block purchased. Yes, so also on trail is the new climb duck down jacket, which is it's a bit warm for the winter, so we'll see what it looks like and see how warm it keeps you. So far it's very warm, but I haven't ridden it on the bike yet. So that's new for next year as well. So we'll see how we get on. That was our first trip of the year to Park Vermeer Coffee. No doubt there'll be many as the year progresses. So don't forget to like and subscribe, ring the bell. Actually, floating. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. And give us any comments in the sections. Like I say, so that was a clean climb jacket. Down jacket on trial. So speak to you soon.